I can't tell if I'm crazy.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to style your knotless braids.
It's bleaker and hotter than it's ever been. I'm wide awake even with the melatonin.
First style is a high ponytail. So you'd want to pack your hair really high on top of your head, and then you take a little section and twist or braid it, then take it around the base of the ponytail, so it will give it a really tight look.
Yes, guess the web will disappear. It's so unclear. I just wanted a forever. Fuck business, it doesn't matter if I'm dead. If you're dead, your daughter's dead. I wish I could ignore what the news is saying. Take a break, my secret weapon is praying. But as I dream,
This is my go-to look. So most times when I go to school and I'm late, I do this in like 4 minutes tops. Doesn't take so much time.
gonna die, but I'm here.
The second style is a really high bun. You're going to notice in all the styles I'm doing that requires a bun, I twist my hair or braid it before turning it into a bun. It makes it more secure. You know that it's going to last the whole day without it losing. So I part the hair into 4 sections, twist them, and then take it round the base, and then secure it with bobby pins at the
If
end.
I'm dead, if you're dead, your daughter's dead. We're all dead. But I wanted a forever. Fuck business, it doesn't matter if I'm dead. If I'm dead. If I'm dead.
When you do your buns like this, you find out that they last longer.
I can't tell if I'm crazy or if no one cares or if she cares. And for my
This is called a fishtail with 2 side swoops, but it really looks better when you take out your time to do it properly.
They say it's bleaker and hotter than it's ever been. I'm wide awake even with the melatonin. I hope for more, but the curve doesn't flatten. Now I just roll my boat all over Manhattan, but I'm here, filtering for your ears. Guess the web will disappear. It's so unclear.
This next style is called a half up, half down style with a side swoop or side bang.
Fuck business, it doesn't matter if I'm dead. If you're dead, your daughter's dead. I wish I could ignore what the news is saying. Take a break, my secret weapon is praying. But as I dream, the water dries. Why should you care if we're tell if I'm crazy or if no one cares or if she cares.
This one's really easy. It is a half up, half down ponytail hair. So if you want to give your hair more volume, you could do this.
They say it's bleaker and hotter than it's ever been.
A very bulky bun. When I twist my hair, I spread it out a bit, makes it look a little bit larger, and then I turn it round to make the bun, so it makes it look bigger.
All over Manhattan, but I'm
here. Bun with 2 dropped feathers in front. So yeah, if you want to give like that little cute girl vibe, this is usually what I would go for. It's not too serious and not too playful.
just wanted a forever. Fuck business, it doesn't matter if I'm dead. If you're dead, your daughter's dead.
For the final look, I really wanted this to be the main hair. That's why it's the last one. I wanted to do something that you could do real quick before going to work or going for classes, and nothing too serious. But then if you just want to do something that, you know, is extraordinary for that day, you take out your time. You do 2 side weaves by the side. This could either be a high bun or a low bun, so I really wanted to go with a low bun for this one. For the bun, you part into 2 sections and then tie. Yeah, you start tying. I learned this when I was really young, so I used to do this a lot. So you just keep tying and dividing your hair and tying and dividing your hair, and contrary to what you think, it's really easy to lose and your hair doesn't get, you know, in knots after. It really doesn't. So yeah, you just keep tying until it's remaining just the tips, and then you feed it back into the hair, you hide it back into the hair. So this creates a bun on its own, as you can see, and then you use the front braids to secure it at the back, give it a tight look.
Doesn't matter if I'm dead. If I'm dead. If I'm dead.
And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for staying, and I hope you've learned a couple new styles or more. So yeah, these are my go-to hairstyles. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.